Today's workout is going to be one that gets you sweaty and gets your heart rate up. So this is a Pilates-inspired Tabata style workout. Let me tell you really quick what that means. It means we're going to do short bursts of repetitive movement to get our heart rate up with a few seconds of break in between. So it's not traditional Tabata, but it's in the Tabata style. Let's get going. We're going to start seated. Legs in front, arms in front, curl, roll all the way down. Bend your knees, feet flat again. Inhale, exhale, curl, roll yourself up. Now keep your hips level. Your right leg is going to come to tabletop, then reach it up. You're gonna lower your hips and lift. And just like earlier, I'm lowering about halfway down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down, stabilize your hips, and by that I mean just organize them, get them level again. Left leg up, here we go. 8, 7, 6. So on this series, you can just leave both feet down and do a bridge with both feet down, okay? Nice job. Bring the leg down, roll all the way down. Come up, hug your knees in, hands behind your head. You're gonna twist, center, twist, center. So I'm rolling and twisting, shoulder blade comes off. 4, 3, 2, 1, center, roll down, feet down. Here we go. Curl, roll up, left leg up. First now, lower, lift, lower, lift. So even here, you're trying to keep your hips level. 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch, and go. 8, 7, 6, press through the heel. 4, 3, 2, 1. Foot down, roll up, and twist. Really reach the opposite leg out and try to twist up from the shoulder. So I'm not trying to get my elbow to touch the opposite knee, I'm trying to get my shoulder up. And last 2, roll down, feet down, roll up. There's no time to think about it. Sometimes that's a good thing. Right leg lifts, lower, lift, lower, lift. 6, 5, go higher each time. 3, 2, 1. I'm feeling myself getting shaky. So this is a nice way to get that cardio blast when you're looking for something different. Last one, foot down, roll down, come up and twist. Keep twisting and lifting. You're in the home stretch. 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower down, feet down. This is our last set of bridging. Left leg up, down, up. You got it. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch legs. Breathe every time. 4, 3, 2, 1. Foot down, roll down. We have one more set of our twisting. Roll up and reach and twist. Make sure you're controlled through the center. 4, 3, 2, 1, and center. Roll down, hug your knees in, tuck your chin, and start to roll yourself forward and back, Legs straight out, arms up. Reach forward. Restack, sweep your arms out one more time. And restack. Knees down. Push-ups. Bend, straighten. Bend, straighten. I know, it's so mean. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, find yourself on all fours again. Right leg is gonna lift, lower, lift, lower. 4. So we're doing 6 of each, okay? 2, 1, switch legs. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push-ups again. So you are in charge of finding the version that's right for you. You can do this staying in that all fours quadruped position. You can do it in a knee plank like I am. You can do it in a full plank if you want. And then you come back to all fours. Trust your arms to hold you. Lift, lower. Now, I really like people to, again, intentionally and strategically build strength over time so you feel strong in this all fours position. If it bothers your wrists, though, as you're getting to that place, switch legs. You can do this part in fists, okay, if that feels better to you. You can also do it on your elbows if you need to. Okay, push-ups, here we go. And don't be afraid to switch versions, right? So if your arms start to get tired here, go to a different version of it. And I'm already losing count because I'm getting so tired. Last one. I'll try not to do too many of those. So you'll find, or what I find, when I start to get fatigued in the push-ups, like I just want everything to sink, right? Like this. Trust your arms. Make them work. Don't lock them. Keep them slightly bent so that your triceps, switch legs, have to do a good portion of the work. That's what we want. It's when you just hang out on your joints that it can really hurt your wrists. Okay? All right, push-ups is our last round. You got it. 3, 2, 1. Come back, all fours. Strong and straight. 3, 2, 1. Switch legs. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Sit back. Bring your legs out in front of you. Bring your arms up and then back down to your sides. Right ear to your right shoulder. And then let your head come forward and around. Left ear to your left shoulder. And then forward around to the other side. And just back up to center. One more deep breath. Let it all out. And great job. You should be really proud of yourself. No matter what you were able to get through in that. You were here, you tried it, you made it to the end. Great job. What I really love after a workout like that is about 10 minutes of a walk or even one of the stretching and mobility videos to let my body really assimilate everything that I just did. So great job, and I'll see you soon. Thanks so much for stopping by. Remember, subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified every time a new video comes up. Like and comment on this video and let me know what you thought. You could also always come over to jessicavalantpilates.com to find all the resources I have for living a healthy lifestyle, including full-length workout videos, healthy recipes, and a community I would love for you to be a part of. So I'll see you there.